Assalamualaikum. I'm Syahida. I'm 21 years old this year and I'm living in Petaling Jaya, Malaysia, and I'm one of the CallME English tutor. So for the first video, I'm going to share to you guys about the importance of learning English and a little bit about how English is applied in Malaysia. So first of all is that why is it important? Why people brag so much about English, how important it is? First of all, because it's a lingua franca, an international lingua franca. Maybe we wish okay, why not Malay become an international language? Why not Bahasa Indonesia become an international language? But the reality check, guys, it's English. English is an international language. Even if you are living in an isolated place, you can still use English when you want to Google something, because we are connected we are living in a world that connected more than ever because we have the internet. So you can, of course, you can use whatever language that you want, right? But then English is more useful because more people use it. So second is that language means more opportunity, especially English. Okay, especially English. Let's say that you want to pursue higher education. You need English. As in Malaysia, we have MUET, which is the Malaysian University English Test. Any Malaysian who wants to pursue study in the university, they need to pass the MUET, and then in order for you to enroll in a certain course, you have to reach certain band of MUET. So if the better the band that you got, the more opportunity you got to pursue your dream. I mean, let's say you want to pursue medicine, and then you have to reach certain band so that you could pursue medicine. And if you can't reach that certain band, the chance for you to enroll medicine is lower. So language means opportunity. Okay, let's say okay, I don't want to work, I don't want to study anymore, I just want to find a job. Okay, let's find a job. Every job interview that I know in this world requires an interview. And what I know is that medium of interaction in job interview is English. So in order for you to ace the interview and get the job, is for you to be good in English. Okay, that's how big the influence of English is. So when you actually have a better English, your opportunity will become better and wider. And who doesn't want to live their dream, right? So yeah, so okay, we say learn English, be better, but how do we learn English? As for me, I really like to enjoy English songs. So find something that you can feel that you connected to, so that you enjoy the whole learning process of English. Find something that you would like. Let's say that you like to read a book. Find any English book. There are a lot of good English books, such as my own favorite, Cecilia Ahern or Johnny Pickle, or there are a lot of authors that produce good English book. Maybe movies. You can watch Marvel or Star Wars or another movies, English movies that are good. Find something that you can enjoy, so that you would benefit in some ways. You could enjoy the movie, and in some way that you could learn English as well. Yeah, find something that you would love. It doesn't mean that you have to learn to love everything about America or British or whatever. It's not. Just find something that you feel like you can connect it to and you feel like you love it. Okay, And in the end, it's all worth it. It's all worth it to learn a new language. It's worth it because when you learn a new language, you would learn a new culture. You will get new friends, and trust me, this will broaden up your perspective and the way that you think of this world. You would be more open-minded, and you will feel like we are all the same, and we can connect to each other even if we don't have the same eye color or the same hair color or the same height or the same body or the same face. Okay, we are more connected than ever, to be honest. It's worth it. And when you got the connection with other people, you will become more successful because like you got connection all over the world. Let's say that you have the connection all over the world. You know, you can have better opportunity because, okay, let's say you got friends in Japan. Maybe it'll become easier for you to like live there or study there, something like that. You know, it will open up more opportunity towards you. Again, language is opportunity, guys. So yeah, whatever it is, don't matter so much about speaking good English. Everyone makes mistake, and I as well is making mistake here. I am making mistakes here, right? So just start today. Whatever it is, just start off today. Do not hesitate and do not feel like you're not good enough. Just speak it today. Everyone has their own starting point, and I have it too. So just go on your own pace. Do not compare yourself with others, because this life is not a race. You do you, okay? So I hope that this video will somehow benefit you and give you some kind of spark on how important it is to learn English. So I think that's all for me. See you in my next video. Bye!